Electricity is funny. Electricity has laws, and it's supposed to do this, and it's supposed to do this.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
This build started as an SQ build, so I have the Focal, I have the Artisan amps in the back, I have a Helix DSP 12 channel, for here. The doors, the mid bass are controlled by a Helix DSP also. And then I caught the bass bug. So the bass bug is a DC audio Pitbull 20K with a custom made LAF LED faceplate. This was also signed online by Rusty Flowers himself. All the signatures are on this side of the amp.
Got it, okay.
And then we have, of course, the DC audio level 5 18s in a MBE enclosure.
And a lot of so is this not no longer usable, or
this is DC Audio's sound dampener.
are you able to open up the top still ever, or no?
Oh no, the top is 3 layers of because my league I couldn't put wood.
Yeah, got it.
So I said, okay, so can I put sound dampener?
Yeah.
And they said yes. So I put 4 layers.
Got it. Okay, there we go.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, I'm looking forward to hearing it. Thank you for showing me. That's insane.
Sure.
That's a huge box. How big is it?
Well, each sub calls for 5.5, so it's 11. It's 11.5 cubes.
Okay. And your Team Jam on it.
I am, my local competition team is Team Jam on it.
Okay.
I also represent DC, Team DC.
Okay.
And also Team Flexano.
Okay. Nice. Awesome.
You know, I'm doing a lot of testing. I have the HP Pro. I have the wireless bass knob. I have the Basshead Garage power meter. I also have the SMD meter hooked on to the wire. So I'm hooked up. Oh, there's a meter that goes right there. But
yeah, you can SPL also.
Right. Yep. So I could do all my scientific because you know what? Electricity is funny. Electricity has laws, and it's supposed to do this, and it's supposed to do this, and if I do this, it's supposed to. But sometimes electricity does whatever the hell it wants.
Exactly. Yes, sir. Yeah.
So yeah. But yo, it's an honor.
Yes, sir.
It's an honor, sir.
Nice to meet you. You're welcome.
No, you don't know. You don't know.
You've seen a lot of my videos, I'm sure. Yes. Oh yeah, I appreciate you watching, and I'm glad I'll be able to help you teach you something. And it ain't me; it's other people teaching each other. We're a team. We're a team.
But yes, and then there's the number of that.
Oh yeah.
You know that you ask a question on the forum, and they give you the ass.
Yep.
Tell my guy shade. I'm in that Bentley JT. I'm taking trips with Poppy. You walkie-talkie copy. I got them cookie fiends. Might rock some juicy cheese. I need some juicy sweats. Maybe some Gucci steps. I play down, no free throw. Bitch, I'm on, no peep shout. That ass, no peep shout. Would I run out? Would I front out? Would I sun out? Watching Telemundo. Flying in the rocket.
There we go. All right. You had everything staged out like, I mean, there's not really any air for this installation. Have you done all of this yourself?
No, the whole install
It looks
was
really
done
good.
by one installer.
Okay.
Bex from Model Electronics in
Okay.
Ramsey, New Jersey.
Okay, New Jersey. Wow.
And thank you for your presence in my car.
Oh yeah, you're welcome.
I really didn't plan for this, but oh my God, what am I gonna play? Well, I'm gonna play something real quick though.
Yeah.
Definitely.
appreciate the demo. And that's good. Low 30s, upper 20s, or something like that range. Good. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop